Okay, right here I'm just showing the supplies that I'm using to make the flower spoons. Not flower spoons, spoon flowers. I got these from the Dollar Tree. Most of the items I got are from the Dollar Tree. I got some items from Amazon. I will try to link what I got where in the description box below, but I might forget. But I got the spoons from the Dollar Tree. These little flower mesh right here, I did get these from Amazon. These came from Amazon. And I broke the spoons. As you can see, I broke the spoons, the top of the spoons off from the stems. It's real easy to do. They're little plastic spoons from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just cutting a little flower mesh up into little pieces. This plate I got from Dollar Tree is a little plastic plate. You can get over there in a little party section. And I'm taking the hot glue and I'm gluing the spoons around the rim of the plate. Please be careful, because I burnt myself with that glue. Hot glue, that glue is hot. And I think it was Gorilla Glue that I got, because it's like a stronger glue. And it's just repetitive right here. You're gonna glue the spoons around the little plate until you get the entire plate covered. And that's my first row right there. You will see. What do you guys do for self-care? Do y'all do DIYs? And what type of DIYs do y'all do? Like, I would love to see y'all videos. If y'all could share with me y'all videos of y'all DIYs that y'all do, because I would love to see if I can do them too. I love anything simple. Like, I don't want nothing that gotta use a lot of handyman tools or anything like that. I just want something where you can use like a glue gun, some scissors, some regular glue sticks or something like that. I don't want nothing where you got to pull out no drills or no saws or anything like that. I mean, if that's what you do, that's great. I like the simple DIYs. And I'm still just what I'm doing, I'm gluing the spoons around the plate. And that's what it's looking like so far. Halfway through, there's a bee that might have hurt, flew around my head. I don't really care too much about the bees. They don't bother you if you don't bother them. I'm looking in the wrong spot. I keep looking over there. Camera's right there. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm looking in the wrong spot. Tell y'all I'm not a professional. Never claimed to be a professional. But I do like doing videos. It's fun for me. It's a hobby. And this can be a little time consuming, as you can see, gluing all these little spoons around this plate. And this is a small plate. It's not even a big plate. It's a small plate. But I don't mind it. Like I said, I don't mind doing it because it's relaxing to me. It's pastime. I get to think while I'm doing it. My gosh! You see that bee? That was a big one too. Being nosy, wanting to be in my video. It's pastime for me. Right here, I'm gluing a little flower mesh that I cut up onto the rims of the spoons, the tip of the spoons. I think this flower spoon. I keep saying that wrong. Flower spoon. Or spoon flower. I guess you can say it either way. I think it turned out pretty to me. Y'all will see at the end of the video how it looked. And that's what it's looking like so far. It's already pretty to me. It's already pretty for a cheap DIY. Y'all, this bee want to be in my video so bad. He can be in my video. I don't care. And what am I doing here? Oh, I'm still gluing the little flower mesh around the spoons. But what are some other things that you guys do for your self-care? I'm still looking at the wrong spot. I'm sorry, y'all. My eyes keep going over there. I can't help it. One of my favorite things to do is journaling. I like to journal. I like to write. Even if it ain't about nothing. Sometimes I just write so I can stay in the habit of writing, and my writings turn out to be about nothing, but that's okay too, because it's therapeutic. It really is. I'm cleaning out the hot glue strands right here on the flower, because it can get messy, you know, with hot glue. Y'all know how that do. Anybody that do DIYs know how it can get messy. So I'm just trying to clean it up so it can look good. Don't look so messy. Y'all, it's hot out here. This sun is beaming. I mean, it's nice, but it's been. This is silk flower from the Dollar Tree as well. You don't have to put it in there if you don't want to. You can skip this part. You can leave it the way it was. Well, hey, Mr. B. You can leave it the way it was. I gotta be extra. So I put a little silk flower in there. And then I'm gonna put the little flower mesh in the middle of the silk flower. I think I burnt myself. I think that's why I got that band-aid up there. I don't know. Can't remember. And this is what it's looking like on my wall. I also did that starburst mirror. I think I have a video for that as well. I'm not. Okay guys, we made it to the end of the video. I didn't realize how fast this video was going by. If you could like and subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate that. Also, please check out my merch shop that I got on Etsy. I will leave all their information in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next video.